Let's bring in Kim Forrest. She's a senior portfolio manager at Pitt Capital Group. She's got $2 billion in assets under management. And also joining us for a pretty significant sell-off here, Jack McIntyre, portfolio manager at Brandywine Global. Kim, let's stay on the news here. Would you buy Apple at this price? It's certainly a lot cheaper than it was a couple of months ago.
Sure, but we're going to pass on buying Apple, and it's because once a momentum stock stops being a momentum stock, it takes a really long time for things to settle down, and who knows how low this could go. Okay,
but you're also liking some of the previous momentum stocks, and those would be some of the chip stocks, for example, Intel, and tell me why you're still really on board with those.
Sure, because productivity is coming back. I think businesses are going to start investing in tools that make their people more productive, and that always includes a semiconductor. So that's why I like the group and Intel in particular.
Okay, you also like Microsoft and NetApp. Jack, I need to hear from you if you are concerned or what you interpret from bond yields that are falling right now. In fact, the 10-year at 3.05%.
So I'm hoping actually the Fed listens to what the bond market's telling us. And what's that? It's telling us that, hey, we're not worried about inflation. And actually, we're actually getting to be a little bit more worried about growth. We've got uncertainty from what the Fed is going to do if there's a Powell put, or the trade tensions. We just don't know what's the right communication coming from the administration regarding trade. One day it sounds constructive versus China, and the next you get Pence kind of being a pit bull and saying, no, this is a new economic Cold War. So that's why I think equities have to do a little bit more work on the downside.
All right, guys, I need everybody to look at Apple right now. It is just 3 pennies above the level where it needs to close to stay out of bear market territory. Kim, Jack, thank you. It's a big breaking news day. Markets do appear to be closing off-session lows, but boy, is it a red start to kick off the shortened Thanksgiving week.